Hey YouTube, so today we're not actually going to be in the garage. I'm working on server stuff, but I'm just doing this intro to a video, well, a time-lapse of my work. So I do a bit of lighting, do a bit of like cameras. So yeah, I just time-lapsed a video of us setting up a lighting rig to go on the air for the boxing, and I thought some of you might be interested. So just a short wee video, gonna chuck up here. Obviously not strictly servers, but yeah, thought some of you might enjoy, so yeah, see you next time.